In this video, we will learn the use of Ng Switch Directive. As we already know, the switch case operation in other programming language, where we have the value and the set of options available on the basis of case. But here, the only difference is that we are only rendering the HTML element on the basis of switch element or statement. It is used when we have multiple set of value to perform and render that particular HTML element. We have already created an Angular application and we have a test component, and here we will do something that will demonstrate the use of Ng Switch structure directive. Let me do nothing but giving a color value to red, and here so we have given 4 cases: blue, red, green, yellow, and we have supplied the value, the property from the component color. Let me run the application. So the case this has been followed as to, let us suppose I am giving green, then it becomes green. So this is all about Ng Switch and the available cases. In other programming language, we have the default case also that is available in switch case. Here we will also have the default case that we can add if I am giving some non-available values. Let me give some value XYZ and add the default case. Your default color, let me say I am giving pink. Let us see what will happen. So if I am giving a value that is not available in any option, then that goes to the default. So we can add the default value in the default case like as this, and perform the switch operation as given in this particular template. Thank you so much.